Welcome to sixth part of identities related to multiple angle. Hello intellectuals, I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy.
In the house, SK Sir on the lead. Let's ride.
Identity number 27. I have already solved 26 identities in the previous videos. I am pretty sure you may have watched. Let's begin. In 27 number, we have cos to the power 6 theta minus sin to the power 6 theta equals to cos 2 theta times 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. So, to solve this identity, it will be better for us to choose left hand side. So, here, left hand side we have cos to the power 6 theta minus sin to the power 6 theta. Right? Actually, from here we can go ahead by two ways. The first we can write cos square theta to the power 3 and sin square theta to the power 3, and another is cos cube theta to the power 2 and sin cube theta to the power 2 we can do. But the best one will be here. We can write here cos square theta whole cube minus sin square theta whole cube, isn't it? It will be better for us to apply this method. Now we are going to apply the formula a cube minus b cube, and all of you know the formula, right? So let's apply. A cube minus b cube means a minus b times a squared, means cos square theta whole square plus ab, means cos square theta dot sin square theta plus sin square theta and its whole square, isn't it? So we know that a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. After that, as you know, cos square theta minus sin square theta gives us cos 2 theta. So we can write here cos 2 theta, right? After that, in the second factor, we can see cos square theta whole square and sin square theta whole square. So once again, we are going to apply formula a square plus b square, isn't it? So a square plus b square has two formulae. The first one is a plus b whole square minus 2b, and another is a minus b whole square plus 2b. First a plus b whole square minus 2b, and another is a minus b whole square plus 2b, isn't it? So a means cos square theta, b means sin square theta. So let's apply the formula. So a square plus b square means a plus b whole square means cos square theta a plus b whole square minus 2b minus 2 cos square theta dot sin square theta. And we have already here in the question that is cos square theta dot sin square theta, isn't it? Okay, next one we have here cos 2 theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1, so we can write 1 square minus, and then minus 2 cos square theta dot sin square theta, and plus cos square theta dot sin square theta. It means minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. So we can write here minus cos square theta dot sin square theta. That's clear? So I think all of you know the formula of a square plus b square. So I have applied this formula many times in the previous videos, right? So I'm pretty sure you may have watched all the videos. So it's very easy for you to understand. After that, we can write here cos 2 theta, and look here, 1 square means 1. When you see the right hand side, then you have 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta, isn't it? So here cos square theta dot sin square theta we have, right? So one formula, that's all of you know, sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta dot cos theta. So here we have cos theta dot sin theta, so we can write here 2 cos theta dot sin theta over 2 and its whole square. So can we write or not? Just see carefully. Here 2 balanced cos theta dot sin theta whole square. So cos square theta sin square, of course we will get no. So it's already balanced, isn't it? So why you move this step is to bring sine to theta at the right hand side, So we know the formula of sine to theta equals to 2 sin theta dot cos theta. So it's better for us to go ahead, by this way. Then we can write here cos 2 theta, right, equals to cos 2 theta, and here we write 1 minus this 2 cos theta dot sin theta or 2 sin theta dot cos theta, same, so it becomes sine 2 theta, and here is already square, so it becomes sine squared 2 theta, right? And at the denominator there is a 4 we can write, isn't it? And finally you can get here cos 2 theta, isn't it? And 1 minus 1 by 4 sine squared 2 theta, and we can see that we have already got the answer, that's which is at the right hand side, so we can write here equals to right hand side and put. Identity number 28, sin to the power 4 theta equals to 1 by 8 times 3 minus 4 cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. We can choose any side, right? We can choose right hand side also, but when we choose right hand side, we have to apply the formula here, cos c minus cos d, isn't it? So better to choose left hand side only, So choose left hand side. So left hand side we have sin to the power 4 theta. So we have to remove power 4, isn't it? So we can see there is no any power at the right hand side. So we are going to remove power 4. So I can write it as sin square theta its whole square. Can we write or not? Because we have relation between sin square and cos 2 theta. Next one is that sin square theta equals to what? Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta over 2 and its whole square. How? As we know that cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, isn't it? And 2 sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta, right? And sin square theta, isn't it, equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta over 2, right? So here we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 whole square. The next step, the square of 2 is 1 by 4, and here a minus b whole square. So a square means 1 square means 1 itself. So we can write 1 square here, minus 2 dot 1 dot cos 2 theta, and here plus cos square 2 theta. Next one, 1 by 4. Here 1 square is 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta, and see carefully, we have cos square 2 theta, isn't it? So we have to remove a square, so how to remove a square? So when a square is removed, angle becomes double. We can see here sin square is here, so theta became 2 theta, and no square removed. So in this case also, cos square 2 theta means when you remove a square, angle becomes double, and this becomes 1 plus cos double of the angle over 2, isn't it? Just I'm going to explain here, just look here. Cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1, So we have 5 formulae of cos 2 theta. So one of them we have 2 cos square theta minus 1, and from here 2 cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta, and cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2, isn't it? So I have already told you many times in the previous videos, if you have a square and if you are going to remove a square, then angle becomes double. If there is a cos square, then there will be 1 plus cos 2 theta, cos double of the angle. But if you have sin square, we have 1 minus cos double of the angle. So here we have 2 theta, so double of 2 theta is 2 times 2 theta, and the next step we write here 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2, right, 1 by 2 and 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now 1 by 4 we have here. Let's take 2 LCM, isn't it? Here we can take 2 LCM, isn't it? Right here 2 LCM we can write, and these 2 here it becomes 2 minus 4 cos 2 theta plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus cos 4 theta. And after that 4 to the 8, so we can write here 1 by 8, and here 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 4 cos 2 theta and plus cos 4 theta. Let's look at the right hand side. 3 minus 4 cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta, and that's equal to right hand side and its root. Identity number 29. We have cos to the power 8 theta plus sin to the power 8 theta equals to 1 minus sin square 2 theta plus 1 by 8 times sin to the power 4 2 theta. Of course, we have to choose left hand side. So left hand side we have cos to the power 8 theta plus sin to the power 8 theta, isn't it? So this step can be written as cos to the power 4 theta and its whole square plus sin to the power 4 theta and its whole square. Next, remember the formula of a square plus b square. It has two formulae, a plus b whole square minus 2ab and a minus b whole square plus 2ab. I think second one will be more better, but we can apply any one, doesn't matter. We can get right hand side very easily. But if you apply the second one, that's a minus b whole square plus 2ab, it will be more better. So a minus b whole square means we can write cos 4 theta a minus sin 4 theta b, a minus b whole square, and plus 2ab means 2 cos to the power 4 theta dot sin to the power 4 theta. Clear? Here a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Next step, again we have cos to the power 4 theta, right? Again I am going to write this line as cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta its whole square and square of all plus, just look at this part, cos to the power 4 theta dot sin to the power 4 theta. Remember one formula, 2 sin a dot cos a means sin 2a, and here is power 4, so we can write 2 cos theta dot sin theta over 2 and to the power 4. Can we write or not? Just see carefully. 2 and 2 up and down, balanced, cos dot sin to the power 4 cos 4 dot sin 4, isn't it? I'm pretty sure you are understanding. Next step, again a square minus b square, very simple formula. A square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. Remember, at the place of a we have cos square and at the place of b we have sin square, and here is square and plus these two we can write. After that, at the numerator it's sin 2 theta and to the power 4 means we can write sin to the power 4 2 theta, and this 2 becomes 16 because 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. Now cos square plus sin square means 1, right? So 1 into any number is the same number, and this means cos 2 theta, right? And it is square, there's a multiplication sign in the middle, so finally we can write cos square 2 theta. Are you getting me or not? Yeah, cos 2 theta is square, so cos square 2 theta. 1 into cos square 2 theta whole square, 1 into cos 2 theta whole square means cos square 2 theta, and plus 2 8 the 16, so we write here 1 by 8 sin to the power 4 2 theta. Look at the right hand side. We have 1 minus sin square 2 theta. So we can change cos square 2 theta into sin square 2 theta like this. 1 minus sin square 2 theta plus 1 by 8 times sin to the power of 4 2 theta, and that's equal to the right hand side, and proved. Identity number 30. Sin 5 theta equals to 16 times sin to the power of 5 theta minus 20 sin cube theta plus 5 sin theta. We have to choose left hand side. So left hand side we have, let's start from here. So left hand side we have sin to the power of 5 theta. And sin to the power of 5 theta can be written as sin 2 theta plus 3 theta. So remember one formula, compound angle formula of sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, if you don't know, then I have already derived all the formulas, sin A plus B, cos A plus B, to tan or cot A minus B, So you can go back and you can watch all the videos. Here, sin A plus B. Sin A plus B equals to sin A dot cos B plus cos A dot sin B. So I can write here sin A means sin 2 theta, cos B means cos 3 theta plus cos A cos 2 theta dot sin B means sin 3 theta, isn't it? Not to forget, okay, this formula, sin A plus B equals to sin A dot cos B plus cos A dot sin B. Here at the place of A we have 2 theta and at the place of B we have 3 theta. Next one, just I am going to apply formula sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta dot cos theta. 2 sin theta dot cos theta, and cos 3 theta, actually cos 3 theta you have the formula 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. Clear? Cos 2 theta, we have 5 formulae of cos 2 theta. Which one will be better in this condition? So as we have sin only at the right hand side, better will be to write the formula of cos 2 theta in the term of sin. So cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and sin 3 theta, all of you know, that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. Clear? I think no need to write the formula inside the bracket, so you can go back, you can see all the formulae, right? If you have any confusion, then you can write in the comment box. So sin 2 theta, cos 3 theta, again cos 2 theta, sin 3 theta, all of you know this formula. Now, here just multiply, so 2 for the 8, sin theta, here is cos cube, so here becomes 8 sin theta, and cos theta dot cos 4 theta becomes cos to the power 4 theta, and minus 2 theta 6, here is we can write sin theta, and cos theta into cos theta becomes cos square theta. Clearly? Now multiply these two factors also. So 1 into any number is the same number, so 1 into this part will be same as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, right? But see carefully, when you multiply this factor by minus 2 sin square theta, sign will be changed. So here will be minus 2 into 3, 2 theta 6, and sin square dot sin theta, that becomes sin to the power 3 theta, and minus plus 2 for the 8, sin square dot sin cube, I can write sin to the power 5 theta. Laws of indices, I think all of you know. Now we have to change cos into sin, because we have sin only at the right hand side. So what to do? So here is cos 4, so let's write 8 sin theta at first, and here cos 4, cos 4 means sin square cos 4, no, we cannot change cos 4 into directly sin, right? But we know cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? So cos to the power 4 means cos square whole square. So cos square means 1 minus sin square. and its whole square. See carefully, 1 minus tan square means cos square, is whole square, so cos square to the power 2 means cos 4, already balanced. Here minus 6 sin theta, and here cos square, so we can write 1 minus sin square theta. And this parts, we can see that here, this part, it's already in sine, all sine. But see, remember, here power 3, so they are like terms. So why not we can simplify? But sine theta, so I can write here plus 3 sine theta and minus 4 sine cube theta minus 6 sine cube theta, isn't it? Minus 4 minus 6 means minus 10. So that's minus 10 sine to the power 3 theta, and at last we have 8 sine to the power 5 theta. It's clear? Identity number 31. Cos 5 theta equals to 16 cos to the power 5 theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. We can solve it as we have done the identity number 30, right? So here also we are going to choose left hand side. So left hand side we have cos to the power 5 theta, correct? And cos to the power 5 theta we can write cos 2 theta plus 3 theta. Clearly, remember cos A plus B formula, that is cos A dot cos B minus sin A dot sin B. 2 theta is at the place of A and 3 theta is at the place of B. Remember formula and must write the formula inside the bracket, that is cos A minus B equals to cos A dot cos B plus it is that is a plus, okay? So if there is a plus, there should be minus, right? So minus sin A dot sin B. Remember, if there is a plus in the middle, in cos A plus B, there should be minus, but if there is a cos A minus B, there should be plus. So here we have plus, so we wrote minus. Now cos 2 theta, again we have 5 formulae. I have told you many times. So which one of them will be better? So at the right hand side we have cos only. So why not we write the formula cos 2 theta in the term of cos? So we have in the term of cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos squared theta minus 1, and cos theta is in the term of cos only. So here becomes 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And sin 2 theta, as you know, 2 sin theta dot cos theta, and here sin 3 theta means 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, correct? So actually I have already explained and derived all the formulae, in the previous videos. I'm pretty sure you may have watched. Just multiply. So 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta into these parts. So 2 for the 8 cos, just a minute here, 2 for the 8 cos to the power 5 theta, right? Minus 2 to the 6 cos square dot cos theta means 6 cos cube theta, and minus 1 into this part, all will be negative. So sign change, minus 4 cos cube theta and minus minus plus, we have here 3 cos theta. This part, just multiply them, okay? So this part into this equals to minus 2 to the 6 sin theta into sin theta becomes sin square theta, it is cos theta. And after that minus minus plus 2 for the 8, and right here cos theta at first, and sin theta dot sin cube theta becomes sin to the power 4 theta. That's clear? Okay. So we are going to change sine into cos, right? As we have done in the previous video. In the previous video we were changing, what we were changing, cos into sine, because we had to prove sine 5 theta, and here is we have cos 5 theta in the term of cos, so we have to change sine into cos. It's already into cos, so we can write 8 cos to the power 5 theta. Clearly? Okay. See the like terms. Minus 6 cos cube minus 4 cos cube. We can write minus 10 cos cube theta. Correct? 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta. Okay. Here sine square should be changed into cos square. So 6 cos theta. This cos theta and sine square becomes 1 minus cos square theta. Clearly? And here we have 8 cos theta. 8 cos theta and sine to the power 4 theta, isn't it? So sine to the power 4 theta cannot be changed directly into cos. So sine square means sine to the power 4 means sine square and whole square, right? So we can write 1 minus cos square theta and its whole square. Can you write or not? See carefully. Sine to the power 4 means sine square and whole square, right? So sine square equals to 1 minus cos square and whole square means cos square. 1 minus cos square becomes sine square. Whole square means sine to the power 4 theta. I think you are understanding. Okay. See carefully. Here 8 cos to the power 5 theta minus 10 cos to the power 3 theta, okay, plus 3 cos theta. Okay, just open the bracket here. Minus 6 cos theta minus plus 6 cos theta dot cos square. We can get here 6 cos to the power 3 theta and here plus 8 cos theta. 8 cos theta and a minus b whole square formula, isn't it? So 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 into cos square theta means 2 cos square theta and b square means cos square theta whole square, that gives us cos to the power 4 theta. Clearly? Isn't it? So then we are going to open this bracket, and we are going to simplify as well. So cos to the power 5 theta, we don't have its a like term, so we write as it is, that is 8 cos to the power 5 theta. Now minus 10 cos cube theta and plus 6 cos cube theta, they are like terms, so minus 10 plus 6, that gives us minus 4 cos cube theta. And here 3 cos theta minus 6 cos theta, they are also like terms, so minus 6 plus 3 means minus 3 cos theta. Cos theta, correct? Okay, then this, open this bracket, so we can write here 8 cos theta into 1 means 8 cos theta minus 8 to the 16 cos theta dot cos square theta becomes cos cube theta plus 8 cos 5 theta. Okay, now see carefully here. Actually 8 cos 5 theta, they are like terms, so we can simplify them. 8 plus 8 means 16 cos to the power 5 theta. Next one, minus 4 cos cube theta and minus 16 cos cube theta, they are like terms, so minus 4 minus 16 becomes minus 20 cos to the power 3 theta and minus 3 cos theta plus 8 cos theta, that gives us plus 5 cos theta. Look at the right hand side. 16 cos to the power 5 theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. Yes, this is our right hand side, so we can write equals to right hand side and put. Thank you for watching this video. If you have understood all the identities, then don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you soon in the next part. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a good time.